Hi guys, in front of me is Nothing Phone 2 and let me show you how to apply night light. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select display, and here you will notice night light. So once you want to activate it, just use the switcher, and from now on it is active. Then once you want to switch it off, unmark it the same way. But you can also schedule your night mode. Just tap on the left side of the bar and now click on schedule. So you can schedule it at custom hours or from sunset to sunrise. It's up to you. Once you pick custom hours, you just have to select the time of start and end. Once your night light is active, this panel also allows you to manage the intensity. So that's it. This is how night light works here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.